Hi, I'm Gary Netto, and this is the County Ag Minute. Snowblowing can be tough on your tractor, especially with freezing temperatures and poor visibility. But with a little prep and care, you can make the job safe and easy. Here are some friendly tips to help tackle the snow removal season. Prepare before the snow falls. Install plow markers and clear your property of debris that could damage the blower. Always warm up the tractor outdoors to avoid harmful exhaust fumes in enclosed spaces. Manage heavy wet snow. Be prepared for potential issues like chute clogs or broken shear pins. Safety first. If the blower gets clogged or an object becomes lodged, turn off the engine and gauge parking brake before you do any inspections. When replacing shear bolts or pins, use factory recommended parts only to prevent avoidable damage. Maximize visibility by equipping your tractor with adequate lighting to ensure you're visible, especially near roadways. Stay safe, stay warm, and enjoy the winter season.